guys, I'm Wadacy2. This is actually a Padlock 175 combination padlock, but stamped on the front is David Lloyd, the gin. Got this given some time ago to have a play with. So obviously I'm going to bypass this with a Peterson Bypass tool, very flexible. Now it's, like I say, it is actually a knockoff or an actual Padlock 175, because there is actually a little hole that once you've actually got the combination correct in there, you need a special key to place in and replace a combination that you choose into it. It's a spring-loaded shackle. So what you find with this is where the wheels are, you're wanting to put the bypass tool into there, triangle it at the camera, and if you place that in, nothing at all, doesn't really go to the back. If you depress the shackle, it allows that to go in a tad further to the back, and you can reach the actuator that's on the bottom by tilting it. So if you can see that movement, I'll release that so it's still locked up. No movement. Depress. Movement. Release. And it's bypassed. Take that out. We can go to the next wheel. Doesn't matter what it is. I do not have a clue what the combination is. So I'll go to the next wheel. Same thing. Place it in. It's not going to go any further. Push the spring-loaded shackle in to the back. You can hear that, meaning it's hit the actuator. So we'll let go. Open again. Take that out. I'll move to the next wheel. Pop it into the back. Same again. Won't go all the way in. Won't move anywhere. Push the spring-loaded shackle in. And if you can hear that, it's hitting the spring. Open again. So, not very good at all. Let's try the last wheel. Get it in round the camera. So again, wobble it in, push, and it's hit that actuator already. Popped open. So that's using a bypass tool on each of the wheels to pop this thing open. So not an amazing combination padlock, but fun to play with. So that was easily bypassing a Padlock 175 with David Lloyd stamp on the front. like I say, is identical to the master, so they must have commissioned some sort of thing on this. Same with pure gin padlocks, you can pop them reverse tight with pulling up on the shackle, decoding, looking for tighter wheels, etc. So your combination locks are easy to use because you're just thinking of a combination, you're not having to lose a key, but many of them out there are easy to bypass. So thanks for watching, happy picking, happy decoding, happy bypassing, and please keep it legal.